use the word familiar, to be familiar with General Feroz Khan?
Commissioner, I cannot confirm if he's familiar or he has any links to General Feroz Khan. But I also, being in the industry that we are in, we know of General Feroz Khan. And I know that he heads the counterintelligence segment for crime intelligence and in the kidnapping task team. So my motivation for telling Deandre that you cannot phone General Feroz Khan is, it's not his problem, it's no one's problem. It's our problem now. Why involve other people? And that was my issue with it.
Do you know why Deandre thought General Feroz Khan could fix this? Whatever he meant with that.
I have no idea, Commissioner. Yeah, as I said, I have no idea why he even mentioned him.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you, Witness D.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Witness D.
Advocate.
We had now gotten to your paragraph 45, which you had dealt with, and I think we are moving on to paragraph 46. There were other issues. Your paragraph 46 speaks to issues you